Try as they may, they can never define what's been said between your heart and mine. The smile on your face makes me know that you need me, and the truth in your eyes tells me you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me whenever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at says you'll catch me whenever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all.
So how do you feel now? Making it to the finals? Yeah? Yeah, supporting me so well. So now the last chance to say to guys and the audience why you are the winner. Are there anything that you want to say to them?
Not really. I mean, thank you for, being nice.
Okay, do you love, Vincy's and Chloe's music? So thank you again. So I feel like seeing you soon. Yeah. Okay, Amanda, who's next?